Hello everybody on YouTube, how are you guys today? Well, today we're going to talk to you guys today about Bluetooth technology on how to integrate it with your existing equipment, like you have an older stereo or older receiver like I do here. And this is a very simple and easy hookup for any type of audio equipment. All you have to do is just hook up your analog and digital cable to your older or your newer receiver, and you can have Bluetooth on your main equipment without buying a new stereo or a new head unit like a new receiver. And look, got news for you guys. I actually looked up some of the prices on the new head units, like the new receivers. Oh my goodness, they're like expensive as heck. Just for the one function I really do need is the Bluetooth type of technology. Now, what is Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a wireless type of technology. It's in most all devices, but not in all the devices we use today. You can use your iPhone, your iPad, your iPod, or Android, or Mac, or PC, laptop, computers. Case if you have Bluetooth and you want to listen to your unit that way, you can pair it up. It's so simple to hook up. No steps needed. No whole thing here, guys. It's just so simple. Anybody can do this here, guys. But like I said, the little unit is a little expensive, about $50, but that's not too bad for the price. But if you want to go ahead and buy a new head unit, that's totally up to you guys. But if you want to save a little bit of money, go do it this way. Do a little bit cheaper like I did. And go buy the Bluetooth receiver. It's a Rocketfish Bluetooth receiver. It's a absolutely beautiful piece of technology I have with my main setup. Now, how can I get all my devices to be hooked up to this one little unit? First of all, you had to have it turned on, and you had to have it paired, and that's how you get everything to work with the Bluetooth receiver. It will play movies, it will play any type of sound, it will play music. It only streams audio from your device, like your iPod, iPhone, iPad, computer, and that's what it does by over Bluetooth technology. A very cool little unit. I really enjoy having it because I think it would do very good with any type of older system you guys have. This is a good way and a good type of technology to instead keep spending a whole lot on a new system. And trust me, I'm a audio kind of nut myself here, guys. I like audio. I love audio. I think it's good to have. The only thing I do not like is mostly wireless on me constantly connecting my iPod directly to my stereo by the audio cable jack, and I prefer to have it wireless streamed over to my radio over there by using my iPod. But not everything is a wireless device here, guys, but you still deal with wires with hooking up all your own type of pieces of equipment to your main audio system. And that's the big point of the problem, is to try to break away from all the nasty old wires and cables and everything else. But you still had to deal with the wires. But let's go up and take a look at what we got going on over here, guys. Alright, guys, you guys can see, here's my whole main setup. This is thus my whole setup itself. It's a beautiful audio unit. This is a Toshiba stereo receiver. It's a very old unit here, guys. This is probably from the 1960s to the 1970s. And down below, right down here, this is my Rocketfish Bluetooth receiver. You guys can see. I don't have it paired up yet, but I'm going to be pairing it up with one of my iPods here. Here you got the audio jack and the power 5 volts for this thing to operate. And you do got the option of a digital cable, coaxial cable if you want to call it, to actually use that for your newer systems as well. Very cool. It's a very slim and very small Not that hard to see from the main system that you guys can see, but it is a black unit, and it does match well with my black equipment, and I really enjoy that. I really like that. But let's go ahead and do something. Go ahead and turn the iPad on, and we just put the screen on, and we'll put the code in for we can actually pair my iPod to the Rocketfish Bluetooth receiver. All you do, gotta go in settings, turn on Bluetooth. Very simple setup here, guys. And what it's going to do, it's going to actually look, I hope, it's going to look for that, okay? And you guys can see down below there, I don't know if you guys can see it, Bluetooth receiver. We're going to hit the pair button, and it's going to actually pair the device with my iPod. It might take a minute or two, but it will definitely work for the connection and everything, before I can get my audio, music, and my movies to be playing on my main system. You guys can see, successfully connected. I have now connected my iPod directly to my receiver down here. You guys can see, it's no longer flashing. It's now solid blue, and that's a good sign. That's what you actually want. You want to make sure that's a solid blue item on your top there. But yeah, this is a good setup here, guys. A very nice setup of what I have done over the years and over the past years of trying to find a new head unit, a new top unit, the receiver end. And I decided, might as well go with the least cheap route of using the Bluetooth technology. What's nice about this, it's very small. If you want, you can also mount it in your cabinet, or leave it sitting like this as well if you want. That's your choice, and that's what's nice about it. I can leave it sit here, and it's not going to really interfere with any of my pieces of equipment, because this is actually tied up here to my main unit by using the tape input instead of actual tape. But I really like my unit. I really love the setup. I really enjoy listening to my music over the wireless technology. And we're going to test and see if we do actually have some sound coming out of my iPod. I may have the volume turned down on my iPod here, but that's kind of weird. It's not doing anything. But, you know, make sure this is on, and make sure the volume's up a little bit before you can actually see what's going on now. But yeah, it's very nice. I don't know, I may have to turn the Bluetooth on and off again. Let's see what's going on here, but it should work, because everything normally works with this unit. And we'll go ahead and reconnect it. And we just linked, and let it do what it needs to do, recycle the unit again there, guys. Sometimes that happens with Bluetooth too. And sometimes you actually have to unrepair it and repair it back to your device, and making sure everything is actually working. That should. Alright. There you go, guys. You guys can see a simple and easy fix. No worries there, guys. I don't have to tear down my whole system to actually fix one problem I actually had with it. Is I decided to go and turn the Bluetooth off on my iPod and reset it and reconnect it to the Bluetooth receiver itself. Well, yeah, it's a very small. It's very tiny. It's very small, guys. It's nice. I like that design. And also make sure everything is plugged in, like your audio cables and your power. And also on the back, make sure those all plugged in as well. And we're going to go ahead and play a little bit of tunes here by over the air. And you guys can see, I'm using no wires on my iPod. And my iPod is playing wirelessly by using the Bluetooth receiver now. Turn that up a little bit so you guys can hear it, and I'm going to turn that down. You guys can see it all seems to work very good with the wireless type of technology. Now, this will also work with arm pieces of equipment like older stereos as well. If you have an older stereo and you want to have Bluetooth and make that wireless decision, I'd recommend this, guys. I'd recommend you go out and actually buy yourself one of these little guys down at Best Buy and see if you can find it. If you don't want to buy it, that's totally up to you guys. But that's how I got everything all integrated with my system, and it works just fine, guys. I really enjoy having a wireless function capability with Bluetooth with my stereo. I think it's the best type of technology for older pieces of equipment. I really enjoy my stereo being somewhat a wireless device. Alright guys, if you're all brand new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button or leave a comment down below. Please like, please share, peace out. Bye guys. Thank you for watching today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed.